The car was built over a course of 6 years. It took 22,000 man-hours to build it. Just a lot of blood, sweat and tears.
This fully customised Buick Riviera has been a labour of love for Canadian J.F. Launier. He's been renovating vehicles since the age of 13, but in 2014 this Buick finally earned him the coveted Ridler Award for America's most creative and innovative custom car at the Detroit Autorama. The project began with a 1964 Riviera, bought from a junkyard for just $400.
People always ask me why a 64 Riviera. Well, the long and the short of it is, when I was 21 years old, I had a 64 Riviera. I sold it to start my first business, and I thought to myself, I'm going to have another one of those cars one day. I didn't really know I was going to take it this far.
What followed were countless modifications to the original Buick body. A 1971 Riviera roof, with its unique shape and sloped rear window, was fitted to the 1964 chassis. The car was shortened by removing sheet metal from behind the doors and rear wheel openings. The front wheel openings were moved forward to make space for a 6.2 litre Chevrolet V8 engine, which provides 784 horsepower. JF estimates that he spent $300,000 on the project in total.
The car was built over a course of 6 years. It took 22,000 man-hours to build it. It was everything I could afford. It was my parents' house got remortgaged, my house got remortgaged. The math's pretty simple. It's 22,000 hours, $75 an hour shop rate. You're looking at $1.5 million just in hours.
JF named the finished car Revision, and in 2014 he proved that one man's trash is another man's treasure by winning the Ridler Award. But despite his success, JF warns that budding car customizers shouldn't take such projects lightly.
It was ups and downs. It was always a battle to try to get enough money to buy parts, to find enough time in the week to balance family, business, and a project of this magnitude. I always felt like giving up. There wasn't a day where I didn't feel like it was too much, we had taken on too much, and we had gone too far with it. Be very prepared. Don't just build your first car and think it's going to win. This is our 4th attempt at it. You got to be prepared. You got to be prepared to give up everything for a long, long time.
There's no doubt though that he's proud of turning a rust bucket into his most prized possession.
There are people that love it, there are people that hate it. There's kind of nobody in the middle. This car is what I wanted in a race car, this car is what I wanted in a show car, and it's beyond that on all aspects. I have drag raced the car, I have road raced the car, I have won the biggest award in the world. Those 3 have never been put together. And I drive my kids to school in it and take the kids for ice cream.